how many albums I've got. I got like 18, 19 of them, all for $3. But
Nice.
I got a Fleetwood
Alright.
Mac, Billy Joel, Frank Sinatra, Dean Martin. Actually, I got 3 Frank Sinatras, 2 Dean Martins, 5 Tony Bennett's because I love Tony Bennett. What does that add up to? 1, 2, 3. Well, 1, 2, 5, 7, 11. And then wait. 1.
I finally beat it. I finally beat it, dude. Why did that take so long?
That was dedicated towards me. That was dedicated.
1 hour and 19 minutes.
I just noticed I said my name on your video. Wow. Thanks.